Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reorder your OnePay debit card. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and reorder your OnePay debit card. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log onto your OnePay account. Then on the upper hand side, go ahead and click on where it says cash. Then you're going to be toggled between your debit and savings account. Go ahead and click on the upper right corner again where you see the card icon. Then scroll down and click on replace card. So this is where you can actually go ahead and replace your card, whether it's due to your card being damaged, missing, or your card being stolen. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead about doing this. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.